Kasama ko lang ang mga senador ngayon at nagpulong-pulong kami para makita talaga ang chronology of events. At approximately 7:46, armed men tried to enter through the second floor but were stopped by the OSA. They had firearms with them, but the OSA fired a warning shot. They retreated at the back and then started firing indiscriminately into the air. Now, we do not have a definite count of how many people tried to enter the building. Number two, there are no casualties. None. No one was hit, no one is wounded, no one was killed. Number three, we are in the process of determining who is behind this. We have instructed the GSIS and the Senate building, the Senate staff to secure all CCTVs. Our mission here, the President sent me here, number one, to secure the senators. There is no politics at this time. In these times of turmoil, politics goes out the window. We all belong to one country and we all believe one nation. The President has given strict instructions. Secure the senators, whoever they may be. Next, we are not here to arrest Senator De La Rosa. In fact, we are here to protect him. Let that be clear. They made that very clear to his family. I repeat, we do not know who is behind this, but we will find them. We have all the security footages, and I am here with the Senate President to assure him that we are only doing this to secure them. We still have to determine through CCTV footage kung ilan talaga sila. So, we cannot answer that with any witness.
Sir, una nagpapatok warning shot.
A warning shot, the OSA gave a warning shot, and in their retreat, they started firing into the air. That's as far as we know. Okay? That is not conclusive. You still have to review the footages.
We'll stop at the word suspect kasi pag nilabel namin yon, meron ng conclusion na rin yung iba. But we told Sec. Remulla kung sino ang suspect. Ano suot ko, ano ang sinasabi nilang kung sino sila.